Hello, I'm Teacher Lindsay and today I'm going to show you how to open the interactive resources correctly. You'll find some free downloads on the interactive resources page, so you can try opening them at home. Let's go. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know that the interactive resources are completely flexible. So whether you've got a touchscreen device like a mobile phone or a tablet, or you're going to open them using a laptop, a computer, or a Mac, these resources will work on your device. And if you open them using the PowerPoint program that you've already got installed, or you download the free PowerPoint app, you do not need the internet. So these resources will work with no Wi-Fi connection whatsoever. However, if you are on a Mac or a computer that does not have PowerPoint, I'm going to show you later on how to open these resources without paying for the Microsoft Office suite. However, you will be using a web browser to open the resources, so in that case you will need the internet. Okay, so if you're using a touchscreen device such as a mobile or a tablet, this is how you open the resources. First of all, you need to extract the file. Then, right-click the unzipped file. The interactive resources are PowerPoint show files, so they're named .ppsx at the end. You're going to click on Open With, and if you already have PowerPoint, you can select that option. I'm going to show you what to do if you don't have PowerPoint. The good news is you can download the free PowerPoint app from any device, whether you have an Android or an Apple device. Let me show you where you can get it. Okay, so if you've got an Apple device such as an iPhone or an iPad, please visit the App Store to download your free PowerPoint app. If you've got an Android device, please visit the Google Play Store. Next, you're going to see a screen like this. It's going to prompt you to sign in or sign up for free. You don't need to do this, simply click on the back arrow at the top left and then your resource will open. Otherwise, feel free to sign in so you won't have to do this each time you open the interactive resource. Now your resource should open and have a starting slideshow pop-up message. Then it will be in present mode and ready to go. If this doesn't happen, don't worry, just click on the present icon or the play icon that pops up, and then it will take you into present mode. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy your resource. Okay, what if you're opening these interactive resources using a desktop computer or a laptop or even a Chromebook? Let's have a look at how to open them correctly. As I mentioned earlier, you can access these resources for free. You don't need to install Microsoft Office or pay for any program, but you will need an internet connection because you're going to be using a web browser to access the digital resource instead. Right, first thing, go to the free online PowerPoint browser, and I'm going to put this website link in the comments of this video. You can also find instructions on the interactive resources page on my website. Next, it's going to ask you to sign in to your Microsoft account. So if you've already got an Outlook, Hotmail, Live or MSN account, log in, or you can create a new account for free. Next, you need to upload the interactive file. So you can drag and drop or use the upload and open option. It will open the presentation, but you need to go into presentation mode. So then you want to click on the present button, which is in the top right corner. Please note that when you are accessing the resources via a web browser, the images are not quite as crisp as when you open them with the PowerPoint app or using the PowerPoint program. They still look good, they're just slightly lower res. And we're done. You can now use your digital resource and enjoy learning. If your digital resource is not opening properly for any reason, please check out the troubleshooting tips on the interactive resources page. Remember, you can download some free resources at home to try out with your young learner. We've got interactive flashcards with audio. We've got spin the wheel. Please note this resource does have flashing lights. There's a matching cards game. An interactive ebook. And a search and find task. If you need any more help opening these digital resources, you can contact me on the website. Have fun using the resources!